Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be discussing our question answers of our chapter A Great Martyr Ever Childish. In that, our first question is, the writer speaks of the smile that welcomes anyone who enters Hanif house. What more do we know about his smile? The answer of this question is, those who enter Hanif's house, they were welcomed by his smile, but this smile was confined in the picture frame. Lituf and Hanifuddin was a young martyr. He sacrificed his life during the Kargil war at the age of 25 years. He loved his work and was happy all the time. Our second question is, what does Hanif choose as his mission? Why did he do so? The answer of this question is, during his training at the IMA, he changed gently to a dedicated soldier. Perhaps Hanifuddin knew that his life was so short and he needed to repeatedly remind himself of his mission. Though he came from a family of musicians, he decided to change their lives, so he joined the army or chose this mission to serve our nation. Our third question is, life for Hanif in the beginning was never a smooth sail. Why was it so? The answer of this question is, when Hanif was 8 years old, he lost his father. He had to take the responsibility to look after his three younger brothers. His mother, Hema Aziz, had a touring job and was out very often. They had to do their work for themselves. So it was not a smooth sail. Our fourth question is, the absence of a mother from home taught the children something. What was that? The answer of this question is, Hanif's mother, a vocal artist, would often have to leave Hanif and his brother alone, as she traveled with the performance wing of the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. The absence of the mother taught the children the virtue of self-reliance. Their mother going to work without excuse gave them the message that one's duty is the most important thing in the life. Our fifth question is, how does the writer describe the introvert Hanif? The answer of this question is, the writer says that Hanif, who was an introvert, started making friends only when he was already 14 years of age. However, this did not come in his way of helping others. Quite a few remembered his helpful gesture even after his death. Our sixth question is, Hanif was a young man with varied talents and interests. Illustrate this statement by drawing support from the text. The answer of this question is, the life for Hanif was always ekdam bindas. He sketched very well, made beautiful cards out of waste materials, read books and loved playing the drums. As a young man, he was so talented and had an interest in life.